Welcome to BeyondCorner.com. In this video session we will learn about the Apache Pig Introduction. And what is Apache Pig and why Apache Pig is used. Let's come to introduction first. Apache Pig is an open source platform. And it's built on the top of Hadoop to analyzing large data sets. Apache Pig can handle any kind of data like structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. Apache Pig is based on Pig Latin, which is similar to SQL language. And it used to execute queries on huge datasets that are stored in HDFS. It mainly helps to reduce the complexity of writing code in Java. Like you can say 10 lines of code in Pig equal 200 lines of code in Java. Basically Pig operates on the top of Hadoop platform to perform reading, writing and processing the data. And it's all about the Apache Pig introduction. Now, it's important to know that why Apache Pig is used. There are a lot of reasons for using Apache Pig. First is, it can handle any kind of data which could be structured, semi-structured and unstructured. Second is, it is simple query language like SQL. Third is, Apache Pig reduces the lines of code compared to the Java programming. Like you can say 10 lines of code in Pig equal 200 lines of code in Java. Fourth is, Apache Pig provides built-in operators to support data operations like joins, filters, ordering and all. Hope you understand the importance of Apache Pig along with introduction. And don't forget to subscribe the Beyond Corner YouTube channel to learn technologies with simple and short videos which help to grow your career. Thank you and see you in next session. Welcome.